Hello, this is Eben with LaserPro's technical support team. In this video, we will be replacing the fuser for the listed models. To start, turn the printer off, wait 30 seconds, and then disconnect the power cable. Open the front door and pull out the cartridge drawer. Then rotate the printer and open the rear door. Next, we will remove the left cover. Locate the screw holding the left cover in place and remove it. Move the left side of the printer to the edge of the work area and press in on the upper rear corner to release it. From the bottom of the printer, release the two tabs on the left cover. Once released, pull on the left side of the cover to disengage and remove it. Next, we will remove the right cover. Rotate the printer to the rear and locate the screw holding the cover in place. Remove the screw. Similar to the left cover, move the printer to the edge of the workspace and press in on the upper rear corner to release it. From the bottom of the printer, locate and release three tabs on the right cover. Once released, pull on the right side of the cover to disengage and remove it. Now we will remove the fuser. From the right side of the printer, disconnect two connectors. Rotate the printer to the rear and locate and remove three screws holding the switchback guide in place. On the left side of the guide, release a tab and remove the switchback guide. Disconnect the connector located to the upper right side. Remove two screws and take out the fuser. Next, we will disconnect the duplex drive from the fuser. From the top of the fuser, release a tab and remove the cover. Disconnect the yellow cable and release it from the retainer. Remove three screws attaching the duplex drive to the fuser. Then remove the duplex drive. Unpack replacement fuser. Attach the duplex drive onto the new fuser. Make sure that the drive lever boss fits into the guide on the flapper. Push on the lever to verify the lever and the flapper move together. Next, replace the screws on the duplex drive, reroute and connect the yellow cable, and replace the cover. Prior to installing the fuser, make sure that the gear in the printer is aligned in the proper horizontal orientation. Place the new fuser into the printer and replace the two screws. Reattach the connector. Replace the switchback guide and the three screws. On the right side of the printer, reconnect the connectors. Replace the two covers and their respective screws. Close the rear and cartridge doors. Plug in and turn on the printer. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our content, subscribe for more and visit our website for top-of-the-line imaging parts, helpful tips, and resources.